mind is blown that you can do this for free. It's like 100% free. You don't need anything. You don't need to do. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for 150 subscribers. I think we're already almost at 160, so thank you for that. Today we're going to be working on the 335, and thankfully we don't even have to get under the car. I got a white shirt on today, so that should tell you how easy today's mod is going to be. Also, this mod is something that's kind of, I guess, well known on the internet. I was not aware of. I stumbled upon something called the Golf Tee mod, and that basically is just going under the driver's side of your car. Basically, it's like right by the exhaust tip, there's a little vacuum line. You can unplug it, and then you can crimp it, pinch it, shove a golf tee in it, hence the name. And then that keeps the flaps open, so you have the true dual tone like exhaust note stock, which is sweet. And you guys, if you have a stock 335, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When it's open, it sounds really good, and then when it's closed, it still sounds good, but I think a lot of us would prefer to have it open. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. It's super easy. I mean, I'm going to show you. We don't even need tools. What you're going to do is, instead of going to the exhaust and unplugging the vacuum line, you're going to go right to your trunk, open this up. I've already pried this off. All you need, realistically, you can use your fingernails, but I don't have any, so you can just pry that off with a screwdriver like I did. If you can see, there's this little actuator, that little clip. Unplug that, and once you unplug that, I mean, we're ready to go. It's going to be open, so you don't have to do any vacuum line plugging or anything like that. So it's super easy. We're just gonna unplug the actuator, and then obviously it's super reversible if you don't like it, because all you gotta do is plug it back in. It's like the most simple. My mind is blown that you can do this for free. It's like 100% free. You don't need anything. You don't need to do, you don't need to spend any money, and money's tight right now, so it's sweet. We got a mod for free, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start with it bone stock so you guys can hear it, and then I'll unplug it, and then we'll start it again. Alright guys, so we have now completed the little unclip. Super easy, takes, like I said, under a minute. Now I'm going to set the camera up and start it again, and both the valves should be open. So let's do that. As you can see, it's a little bit smoky because now both the valves are open. Also, it's cold outside, so nothing wrong with the car or anything. It's just cold. God, this car sounds really good. It honestly sounds like a muffler delete. It sounds like awesome. So I may just leave the exhaust for a while until I do, because I will be doing catless down pipes and everything like that. I'm going to try and build this car as a full bolt-on. We'll see. It's quieted down a little bit now, which is nice. I'll give you guys a couple revs. Yeah, so we smoked out the driveway, so yeah, that's awesome. I honestly can't wait to get this car where I want it to be, but really, that's a really cheap, easy, simple mod. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I know there's a lot out there, but I just wanted to show you guys my perspective on this whole thing, and my experience with it. if you guys are contemplating doing this, I don't know why you would, because you can just try it. It literally takes, like I said, a minute. But on videos, the exhaust note is not very accurate. Obviously, like most sounds are, you really have to hear it in person. It literally sounds like a muffler. Literally, I can't. It sounds awesome. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm very stoked. I got some stuff coming for the car. It's going to be like a while because with all the coronavirus stuff, things just don't ship in 2 days like they used to. So one of those things you kind of always took for granted. So the spacers, I ordered some 20 mils for the back because I have 10s in the front. I think the 10s look really good. I've got 20s for the back. They're on their way. I also, which will be coming sooner than the spacers are literally like a month out because they probably come from China, something like that. I'm getting the dual cone intake set up from Burger, so those should be here within the next couple days. Hopefully I'll make a video on that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it was a lot of rambling, but I just wanted to get the point across how sick, how easy, how free of a mod this is. But that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you like the channel, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace, guys. I'm out.